We've discussed crimpers and profiles. Now setting them up and maintaining that is very important. We show here a cross seal crimper that is like a gear, but a gear that only is in contact with the counter gear over a small section. So play and backlash in that crimper setup system is extremely important. Otherwise, you get a situation that the teeth get on top of each other instead of getting into the system, and that if it gets on top, it crushes the film. How do we control that? Use carbon paper. Very simple. You make one rotation with carbon paper in between, and you see the marking on the counter paper of the carbon, and you see here we get even pressure everywhere. Here, different. First of all, we have a longitudinal profile. This is cross profile. We have a zigzag knife that cuts all over, so the setup of the pressure as such is good. But here we have wear, probably because of the fold over of the fin seal. The same in this one. Again, compared with this one, here we had even pressure everywhere. Here we have the knife that, again, a straight knife that shows the pressure is okay, but there's wear in this section. Replacement is required. How do you check or adjust when the seal is not right? One could be that you think that we need more pressure. Now, if you increase the pressure, the danger is that in the 4-layer area you crush the film and you damage in the end the package. Something else is it looks like we don't get the right seal at a certain point, increase the temperature. Danger there is that you get this type of deformation due to heat. Here you can see, here it's okay, here it's okay, in these areas it's not okay. This probably is 2-layer area, this is 4-layer area. The 4-layer area, due to the closer contact with the high pressure, you get better transfer of heat instead of in this area. Next one is get another film. The other film, the risk is here a hot tag. The hot tag is not right for the setup of that we want here, by the way, a special crimper. And you see the inner pressure of the pack opens up this part of the seal. Finally, there is one thing to pay attention to if you have double or triple crimpers, that you set up this pair of crimpers, but that set unit has to be identical. Now there are tolerances, you have to check that, because here is in this package we have the trailing crimper of B and the leading crimper of A forming one pack. Pay attention to that, and that is all for this part. Thank you.